Have you ever stopped to think about what it means to live a life of abundance? Do you believe it's possible for you? I'm here to tell you that yes, it's possible. And no matter who you are or where you come from, you can achieve the life of abundance you dream of. I am a strong advocate of the idea that we all deserve to live a full and abundant life. That's why I'm here to help you achieve your goals and fulfill your dreams. Believe in yourself, set your goals clearly, and work hard to achieve what you desire. With a little courage, determination, and persistence, you can create the life of abundance and happiness you've always wanted. So, are you ready to start this journey with me? A life of abundance is simply wonderful. It's like having a never-ending source of money flowing and being able to buy whatever you want: clothes, shoes, cars, trips. Oh, what a dream! You wake up in the morning and already know that you can have a king-worthy breakfast, with fresh fruits, scrambled eggs, toast, and that hot cup of coffee. After that, you immerse yourself in a bathtub filled with bubbles, surrounded by scented candles, and with a glass of champagne in your hand, because after all, you deserve it. And when you get out of the bath, there's your team of personal stylists ready to help you choose your outfit of the day. They bring the best international fashion brands and you can choose whatever you want, because money is not a problem when you have a life of abundance. During the day, you can do whatever you want. You can go shopping, go to the spa, go to the movies, or you can simply stay at home, watching Netflix and eating popcorn. The important thing is that you have the freedom to choose. And when it's time to sleep, you lie down on a soft and comfortable bed, surrounded by fluffy pillows and blankets. You close your eyes, feeling grateful for having a life of abundance and knowing that, no matter what happens, you will always have everything you need. Isn't it amazing? You can have all of this and more. Just believe in yourself and go after your dreams. Living a life of abundance is something many people desire, but not everyone can achieve. But I'm here to tell you that you are capable of it. First, believe in yourself, in your abilities, and in your ideas. Cultivate the habit of being grateful for what you already have and always be open to new opportunities. With focus, determination, and perseverance, you will see that the life of abundance you dream of can become a reality in your life. Believe, trust in yourself, and go after what is rightfully yours. Second, the life of abundance you desire requires extra effort on your part. You must be willing to take risks, step out of your comfort zone, and work hard to achieve your goals. This may mean doing things you've never done before, facing unknown challenges, and making difficult decisions. And I understand it can be scary, but remember that great achievements require great sacrifices. If you want to have a life of abundance, you must be willing to put all your effort and dedication into everything you do. Don't be intimidated by fear or uncertainty, because every step towards your goals is a victory. Have courage, move forward, and achieve everything you deserve. Third, be open to opportunities and new possibilities that life offers us. Often, these opportunities can come from where we least expect them, and it's important to be willing to accept and make the most of them. This means being open to new ideas, new people, and new experiences, even if they seem challenging or outside our comfort zone. Sometimes, it takes taking risks and trying new things to achieve the life of abundance we desire. Remember that the universe is always conspiring in your favor, and that every opportunity can be an open door to an even more prosperous and happy future. So always be alert and open to new possibilities, as they may be the key to realizing your dreams. Believe in yourself, have courage, and always be willing to try new things. You are capable of achieving everything you desire, and opportunities are waiting for you. Often, this means facing our fears and limitations, and it can be a difficult and challenging task. But I assure you that every step taken towards your goals will be worth it. Don't give up on your dreams, and always remember that you have the power within you to achieve everything you desire. Believe, have faith, and take action towards your goals. The life of abundance you dream of is within reach, and it's up to you to make it a reality. Go after what is rightfully yours, and live the life you were meant to live. Fourth, setting your goals is a crucial step towards achieving the abundant life you deserve. It's important that you carefully consider your dreams and aspirations and establish specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and timely goals to reach them. Remember that each goal should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This means that you must have clarity about what you want, set a deadline to achieve it, and ensure that it's within your reach. Don't be afraid to dream big, but also remember that every goal needs to be achievable. With focus, determination, and a well-defined plan, you'll be on the right track to conquer a life of abundance and prosperity. An important tip is to break your goals down into smaller, more manageable steps. This will help you stay motivated and focused, as well as ensure that you're making significant progress towards your goals. Fifth and last, but not least, is to have gratitude for what you already have, as it's one of the keys to attracting even more abundance and prosperity into your life. Being grateful for what you've already achieved and what you have in your life is a way to acknowledge the blessings you already possess and open yourself up to even more abundance and happiness. Gratitude is one of the most powerful tools for attracting what we desire because it connects us with the energy of the universe and makes us vibrate at a higher frequency. When we thank for the good things we already have, we're telling the universe that we're ready to receive even more. Moreover, gratitude helps us maintain a positive outlook in the face of adversity and gives us strength to move forward, even in difficult times. So always remember to be grateful for what you already have in your life. Thank the people around you, the achievements you've already reached, the lessons you've learned, and the good things that are yet to come. Stay connected with the energy of the universe, and let gratitude be your compass for an even more abundant and happy life. It's not easy, but it's not impossible either. Have faith in yourself and your abilities, and go after your dreams. You deserve a life of abundance and happiness, and I'm sure you'll achieve it. I understand that the journey towards a life of abundance can be scary, but don't worry, you're capable of overcoming any obstacles that come your way. It's normal to feel fear or insecurity sometimes, but don't let those feelings stop you from pursuing your dreams. Remember that every small step you take towards your goals is a victory, and every failure is an opportunity to learn and grow. Moreover, it's important that you take care of yourself along your journey. Prioritize your mental and emotional health, and take time to relax and recharge your energies when needed. Doing so is not a sign of weakness but rather a way to ensure that you're always at your best to face any challenge that arises in your path. Finally, always remember to have faith in yourself and your abilities. You have everything you need to achieve your dreams and create the life of abundance and happiness you deserve. So go ahead and start your journey today. I'm rooting for you.